Apple, Herbalife, and Facebook, just some of the stocks that hedge fund honchos bought or sold in bulk last quarter. Reuters correspondent Katja Wachtel is here. She's been pouring through 13F filings with the SEC from last night. Katja, of course, we were talking about Apple yesterday. We wanted to know what happened. What did we see in terms of big moves in that stock?
So we were looking carefully for Apple stock, and we weren't disappointed. Jaina Capital got out of Apple, so did Leon Cooperman's Omega Advisors, but they weren't the only ones. Download's Third Point also got out of Apple, and it was one of those stocks that's been high flying for the last, several years. Came down dramatically at the end of 2012, and it's gone down again in January. So those guys had pretty good timing.
Who were some of the big losers in the financial space, and winners for that matter?
Well, we were checking out Genworth Financial because that was a stock that's really rallied in January. So we saw that Einhorn had cut his stake in Genworth, so not great timing, but others got in. So Boaz Weinstein of Saba Capital Management, he's actually a credit trader, but he bought up Genworth, and so did Paulson of Paulson & Co.
All right, let's revisit Herbalife. We mentioned that one yesterday too. What did you see with that stock?
So that was obviously at the forefront of our minds because there's these huge hedge fund titans, Ackman and Icahn, duking it out over the stock. Again, not disappointed. Icahn revealed that he'd bought a 13% stake in Herbalife. He wasn't the only one. Coatue Management and Third Point, as we know, have also got that stock. So we'll see what happens with Ackman's response today.
What about Facebook? Are investors finally warming up to that one?
So Facebook, obviously, huge story last year, and we were looking to see who was getting in and out of that again this time. And JAT Capital, they got rid of their Facebook stock. They still have a little bit left, but they reduced it. But interestingly, Chase Coleman's Tiger Global got rid of their entire Facebook holding, and they were one of the early investors in the stock. So interesting that they decided to get out in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, absolutely. Katja, also another big story from the hedge fund world is, of course, SAC. So pretty big story there in terms of what's ahead for redemptions. More time.
Exactly.
Is it?
So yesterday, apart from the 13F filings, which everyone was focused on, you have one of the most famous hedge funds in the world. It's their redemption deadline, and obviously the hedge fund's been under scrutiny because of the insider trading probe. So we were watching and waiting to see what Blackstone would do because they are the biggest outside investor in the hedge fund. They're sticking with SAC for now, but that's because they negotiated very favourable terms, not just for themselves, but all outside investors. They're basically getting an extension to see if they want to stay with the fund or not. So we might see some other charges going forward. I guess they want to see what happens before they decide to yank their money from someone who's provided some pretty amazing returns since the fund was founded.
So that's a to be continued kind of story.
To be continued, yeah.
Katja Wachtel, good to see you again. Thanks so much. I'm Rhonda Schaffler. This is Reuters.